The bus came, but police stopped me just as the bus was coming. And I was like to them, bro, please allow it, man. And then they was like, cool, no problem, jump in the back.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running.
So apparently this is where the bus stops. I'm hoping I'm gonna get lucky again because it was quite lucky coming here. But as always, no time, just a brother said this is the way the bus comes. See what you can do, but I'm not hopeful. Not hopeful at all. And I did say I'll be sleeping at the border, so I fucking hope not. But we'll just keep our eyes peeled and see what comes. I'm actually kind of running low on battery, I'll be honest. It's 16:16, so we'll see how long this takes. The bus came, but police stopped me just as the bus was coming. And I was like to them, bro, please allow it, man. And then they was like, cool, no problem, jump in the back. Here we are. And they just blew and just stopped the bus. It's fine. I begged the bus driver, I was like, no, man, please. We up. Gracias. Thank you, bro. Yes, that's us out. Come on, onto the bus. Thank you, bro. Bro, everyone was looking at me on the bus like, who is this guy? Like literally, I cut the video when I said it's 16:16. I saw the bus, I was like, yes. And then the police stopped and I was like, oh no. So then they was going through my documents or whatever and I was like, please, bro, the bus, man. Like, what am I meant to do in it? And I was like, get in. I was like, say no more then, say no more. So I've got a bit of an issue here. I've arrived in San Miguel, no bus to San Salvador. Not a big problem. I was like, I'll stay here for the night. I've been to about 15 hotels. They're all booked out. There's a concert going on. And then I see this hammock shop and I was like, oh, that's a good idea. We'll sleep in a hammock. I've done that before, no problem. So I'm chatting to the guy, I'm like, how much is this, bro? He's like 45, which is like a $5. Say no more. Got the $5 out, shaking hands and whatnot. And I'm like, yeah, so I just need to stay from today till mañana, which is like, I need to stay from today till tomorrow. He was like, stay here. I was like, yeah. I was like, what do you think I'm doing with this hammock? And he was like, oh, no, I just sell them. And I was like, oh, no, bro. You done me like that. You done me like that. This has got to be the funniest thing ever. This is where I've ended up. After negotiating with my man in the hammock shop accidentally, I've actually ended up in a hammock for $5. Can't complain, I just had to throw my bag there. I'm hungry, man, I haven't eaten for hours. I'm ready to get food. This is the bed for the night, $5. My water. Happy. Sweet. Oh, gracias, bro.
You need password to Wi-Fi?
Oh, please, please. This is the second country that's been like this. Please explain to me why a pizza shop needs a security guard, firstly. Secondly, with a massive shotgun. What is going on in this strange world? I found out why they have the guy with a shotgun. Sales tactic. I bought the pizza. Bro, and it's like fast food, honestly. I paid, there you are, and I was like, whoa, hold on. $5 for the pizza, that's not bad. Come on. Oh yeah, I was intimidated. I was like, boy, it's better I buy the pizza than he tries to shoot me, you know, so I bought it. So it all worked out well. Shout out Don Marcelo Hostel. And you know what, the hammock, it turned out I wasn't actually special for having a hammock. I was just special that my hammock was in like a communal area. Because I saw one guy's room. And he was also sleeping in a hammock, which was kind of unusual, but yeah, sweet. Off we head to San Salvador. I hope there's buses now. But yeah, pretty chilled out. Easy life. Just as I've arrived, come on. So I'm here in the Morzan Plaza in San Salvador. What's crazy about this place is a couple of years ago you would not be able to walk the streets here. It was run by the gangsters. They got a new president in who just basically cleaned it up, sorted it all out, and now luckily I can just stroll around, no worries. Everything is insanely cheap. Alcohol, like 1.5 litre bottles of spirits for like $4 or $5. Had a lovely ice cream for like 29 cents. Bottles of water, 1.3 litres are like 34 cents. Really, really cheap. So I'm loving it here. Super relaxed, chilled out. Can't complain. I haven't really got too much to see here. An additional thing is the rainbow slide. A little bit gimmicky for me, you know. I've done the volcano boarding and injured myself. I don't really need to go down some rainbow slide. So this is the library on the square. If you come with a rucksack, just check it in downstairs. They give you the little key. Super easy, and apparently there's a great view of the square. So I'm just gonna head up in the lift. Sorry. It's such a cute city. You can see like a cute little cathedral, Mercado Central, there's a little street market down there. There's so much nice stuff here. It's really nice here. And this building just like highlights it. You can see everything. They got nice things for kids, like PCs and stuff you can use. It's like really cool. The library is literally perfect. My only advice would be the viewpoint. They should have made it a bit easier to see things, but you can't complain. It's amazing. It's free to come up here. They got computers to use, massive TVs for your kids to play games on. Not why I recommend doing it on holiday, but still, it's not. Ah, this is the market here. Okay, Mercado. Please, can you how cheap these drinks are? This is just wild. $4.25 for this. What is this? 25%. I don't know, some sugar stuff. It's just wild. Absolutely wild how cheap this place is. beers, cheap. Price for water, super cheap for 1,000 milliliters. But this is the spot. The ice cream, this one bangs, this bangs. But it melts super quick, so grab it just before you leave. Yeah, I just need to sort out a hostel and then I'm pretty much chilling. The one I want to go to, they do bikes as well. So then hopefully I can sort all of that out and then early tomorrow morning, head straight off to the volcano, climb that, and then head to Pompeii of the Americas, which I loved Pompeii. Like my favorite place I've been. So we'll see. That's quite a cool little spot. Oh, the GoPro's not showing it as beautiful as it is. This place looks insane. It's too bright on the GoPro. It's too bright. This is the nicest looking church. Dope, man. So you have to start with a tour here. It's mandatory, but the path is so easy. We had one slow girl in our group, so the guide stopped for her. And then my group stopped and I just went past and said, nah, I've got things to do. I want to get to the ruins. Well, they call it the Pompeii of the Americas, so I want to get there today. I haven't got time for the monkey business today. So, let's go. If you look to the left, you will see the other volcano, which is incredible. Nice. Almost there. I would guess maybe 10-15 minutes. Alright, 11:35, it took just over an hour to get up. I'm gonna try and smash down in 50 minutes. Alright guys, 45 minutes down, that was super sweet. I would have done it in half an hour if it wasn't for so many Americans standing in the way. I don't know why, especially on this path, they do not want to move out of the way. It's like being in the UK on a motorway. They just stand in the way even though they know you want to go past. But yeah, half an hour down, and this hike, you need to do it really early so you can avoid that problem. So here we are, Pompeii of the Americas. Lovely jubbly. Let's see what it's saying. $10 to get in. For some reason they charge you $1 to pay for parking. Don't do it. Just park on the street, that's what I did. No problem. to compare this to Pompeii, please don't. It will leave you disappointed. There's spots kind of similar in Bulgaria, which are incredible, lovely to see, but this is nothing like Pompeii. I understand maybe it's well preserved for Mayan stuff, but Pompeii is the most incredible place I've been. So this is not close, but it's been very enjoyable. Yeah, it's lovely. Lovely to see all this. You don't normally see this stuff from Mayans. Sakuzil bowl, Gailapo ceramic flagrant. This is a volcanic bomb ejected during the Luma Chalcedra eruption. Adobe column. It's just really incredible, all the things you can see here. This is the spot. I swear to God, I got some cold shit from here. It's wicked. Honestly, that's the spot. This shop is the plug. This is the second one I found. The first one's a little bit further down the street, but it's honestly the plug. These were my size, $17 money. Look at them. Wicked. But they're too small, Tods. This is a motorbike tour of the city. So heading out of El Salvador off to Guatemala on the chicken buster boys. This one's a bit different, I'll be honest. But we're 1 hour out. I've loved it here, loved it. Right, here we go, next destination. Man, just grab these, nice. Thank you, bro. Yeah, 4 for $1. That'll do me for a little bit of breakfast. And apparently it's the second right or something like that, and then the bus to the border. So it's 25 cents, you get a bus from just there. Come down the road, take a second right, but ask anyone, they will know where it is. And then yeah, this is it. 25 cents, it'll take you to the border. Come on. it's not so much a haul as 3 items of clothing I bought, but still, I'll show you regardless. So, in reverse order. Alright, so these were the last thing I found. I finally got a pair of shorts. They're banging. Wicked shorts. I'm gonna drop some pictures, and if you can see from here, there's Stone Island. Come on. They was $6, which is wicked. That's cool. Nice light shorts, and they're good because they got zips, which is handy, and more zips, which is super handy while I'm traveling. So that's a win. $6, like £4. Then these were a necessity because I ruined my other ones when I was in Venezuela. So these are native. What is it? Nativeshoes.com. So these were $4. Wicked. Oh no, they was on sale. $3.60. Just good. Like I can walk around in them. They've actually got mad grips. I can actually go wherever I want. And obviously they are swimming shoes. So that's sweet. So that was the main thing I needed: swimming shoes and shorts. And obviously, as we know, I lost my shoes, my D-squared run around mash-up shoes from Mountaineer and everything. I lost. So I was like, cool, we need to buy a new pair of shoes. So what I have ended up with my stupid or genius, depending on how you want to see it, the shoes I have acquired are these handmade Italian Aladdin looking shoes. So this is pony hair with a camo pattern on top. Viracuyo soles, obviously you know that. Great soles. And then these are the ones, Del Toro, $1.60. Like that's like the bargain of the century, but also the most stupidest thing I could have bought on this trip. Because what the hell am I going to do with these? Swim, mountain, hike, clown. But I do love it. Sexy.
We're not as tough as